Cooking a turkey that's both flavorful and juicy can be a challenge, but with the right techniques, you can achieve a delicious centerpiece for your Thanksgiving feast. For preparation, brine the turkey for 12 to 24 hours before cooking. This alters the meat structure to help it keep moisture. Allow the turkey to come to room temperature for about 2 hours before cooking. Pat the turkey dry thoroughly before seasoning and cooking. For seasoning and flavoring, rub softened herb butter under the skin and all over the outside of the turkey. Season generously with salt and pepper, both inside the cavity and on the skin. You can stuff the inside with onion, lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs for added flavor. Then, for the cooking method, roast the turkey breast side down for the first part of cooking to keep the breast meat juicy. Start at a high temperature, about 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 45 minutes to crisp the skin, then reduce to 325 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking. Use a roasting rack to elevate the turkey and allow air circulation. Then, add liquid, such as broth, wine, or water, to the roasting pan to create moisture. This is an important step. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the thickest part of the thigh or breast reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid overcooking, as this will dry the turkey. Now, it is time to rest and serve. Let the turkey rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving to allow juices to redistribute. If parts cook at different rates, consider cooking the legs separately after presenting the whole bird. To add juiciness, serve with gravy, cranberry sauce, or other moist accompaniments. Here is one more tip. Cooking a turkey typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes per pound at an oven temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So, for a 12-pound bird, it will take about 3 hours. For a 16-pound bird, it is about 4 hours. If the turkey is stuffed, plan for about 15 to 17 minutes per pound. Here you have. These are the essential tips to ensure your turkey stays moist and tender, impressing your guests and making your holiday meal unforgettable.